In this video, I'm going to show you how to make or get music for Deviants in Once Human. So as you can see, once you open up your isolated securement units, it will say that the mood of your Deviants can increase faster and more rapidly if you have music. So you have to turn on the radio and play music. As you can see, I have that check mark because there's a radio playing right in between of those securement units. And the way to get the radio is by pressing I on your keyboard and going into Memetics. Click in Memetics yet again and go into the very right inside Building. In here, you want to scroll down and unlock everything up to Basic Furniture 2. In here, as you can see, you'll get a radio. And now, you can get a radio by placing it down inside the build mode. So press B on your keyboard, then right click, and then you want to go inside your house, it's inside Furniture, over here, and have to go inside Decoration, or home entertainment, you have to go Furniture Home Entertainment, and then over here you can see the radio. Click it, and then you can place it wherever you want to. Just place it nearby your securement units, and then once you've done that and successfully placed the radio, come near it and simply click F, select your your station, press play, and that's it. Your Deviants will be supplied with music and will start working more efficiently. So, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.